In this video, I'm going to show you my whole outlook forecast and analysis on HLBZ, Helbiz. Let's begin with the video. So if you can see that like the chart today have gone up actually 6% up. That's quite good. At some point of the day, we were even up more than that. I'm talking about being up around 15% at some point, maybe even 16. But you do see that in this video, I'm basically going to show you exactly what I'm going to expect the price to go, the reasons behind it, and actually going to show you this outline to exactly the point where I'm going to expect it to move with that tool. It's going to look a little something like this, and this prediction was made 21st of February. You do see that, yeah, 21st of February. We do see that I was expecting bearish moves, partially got them, like even more than that, and here is a proof of that being the case. Here's how, like when I made the prediction, this was made 1 month ago. This is the link of the video. Again, go ahead, check it out. More credentials in my Discord and website. I'm pretty lazy to actually do these testimonials, but yeah, nonetheless. Now, what is my expectation on Helbiz right now? I was bearish right here because we were in this big demand area that actually I was not expecting more reactions off of. So this is why I kind of am gonna delete it right now. My outlook on it is to at least and continue to come down and at least deliver below the low. Why is that the case? Because of the main structure on it, which is again still kind of bearish ever since we started trading in, let's say, 2021. We have some data in 2019, but I'm going to use this 2021 because here we haven't moved much. Right? We haven't moved much. Kind of set at that 9 to 10 level, and then we kind of started to go lower. Failed to break the weekly high right here. This is what the main reason why I'm expecting more bearish moves, at least to continue and deliver lower. If you found any value like the video, it's going to help me out a ton. If you want to learn how I do all this stuff, go check out the free Discord. There's a lot of valuable stuff, actually free course materials that you can use to actually implement it today, and have a wonderful day.